I'm gonna help you diagnose a damaged track rod end, and it doesn't get any worse than that. You can see the movement in this joint. The boot is also cracked, which obviously hasn't helped. It has reduced the life of this. I tried loosening this nut here with a spanner and an extension, and it doesn't work. I'm gonna have to apply loads of heat. I'm gonna use my torch. I'm gonna apply a lot of heat here, so hopefully this will help to take this knot off. Really bad. Previously I've applied some grease on the threads of the inner track rod end. I'm gonna start threading it. This stop should be pretty close to the original alignment, even though the car obviously has to go to wheel alignment, but I'm not sure exactly when the owner is going to be able to do it. So I have done it as best as I can so it doesn't damage any of the front tires. And now let's install this in place. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. If you do like it, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you in the next one.